Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very traditional South Indian stew recipe using the special squash known as the Chayote squash, also called Chow Chow in Tamil. It really makes you want to chow down on this dish. So let's get cooking. For the Chayote stew, I'm going to start by washing around half a cup of moong dal in some cold running water around 5 to 7 times to get rid of any excess starch. Once that's done, I'm going to soak the lentils in cold water for around 10 minutes. Now that my lentils have soaked for 10 minutes, I'm going to pressure cook them using a 1:3 ratio until soft. You can even boil your lentils directly. Once your lentils are cooked, you can set that aside. In a pot here on medium-high heat, I'm adding around a quarter cup of hot water. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm adding around 5 to 6 curry leaves that I've torn to release its flavors. I'm also going to add the peeled and diced chayote, as you can see. To this, I'm also going to add around a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix really well. Cover the pot with a lid, bring the heat to low, and cook for around 10 minutes till a fork goes through the squash without any resistance. The chayote looks perfectly cooked. So to this, I'm going to add our cooked lentils. Give all of this a nice mix. And add around quarter to half a cup of coconut milk. I'm also going to add some ground black pepper because I really like the flavor of that. But you can skip this if you don't like black pepper. So that is the base of our stew. Now it's time for our tempering. I have a small pan here on high heat, to which I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. And since it's high heat, we can immediately start adding our whole spices. So I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. It's going to start spluttering instantly. To this, also adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dried whole red chilies that I've broken to release its flavors, and around 8 to 10 curry leaves. We're going to mix this for around 3 to 4 seconds really quickly until toasty. We want to be really quick with this process so nothing burns. So now it's time to pour this over our chayote and lentils. Give all of this a really nice mix. Salt to taste. And that's the finished dish. I can smell the tempered spices all the way from here. It smells so good and I am so excited to try this. Yeah, that's super delicious. Really mild, but you can really taste the toastiness of the cumin and the curry leaves and the sweetness from the coconut milk and the chayote squash. I like pairing this with just some plain rice because it's so delicious. But as always, you can switch out the grains. This recipe is also super versatile. You can switch out the chayote squash if you don't have access to that with pumpkin or butternut squash, anything that's in season and available to you. Let me know in the comments if you tried this exact recipe out or if you switched out the vegetable. I'd love to hear from you, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!